Rivers, Bayelsa will join APC, Akpabio. The Senate President Godswill Akpabio on Saturday hinted that Rivers and Bayelsa states may soon join the All Progressive Congress (APC). Akpabio disclosed this during a grand reception held to officially welcome Governor Umo Eno of Akwa Ibom State into APC. He expressed hope that APC would sweep the entire South-South region ahead of the 2027 general election. According to Akpabio, Governor Sharif of Delta State, thank you for joining the progressive family and moving the South-South in a progressive direction. Governor Umo Eno, after you, Rivers State will just tumble. After Rivers State, Bayelsa will join. We won election with Governor Otu in Edo State and we produced an amiable Monday Akpabio. Congratulations once again for your victory. In April, Eno had hinted at leaving the People's Democratic Party (PDP) for APC. The governor had blamed the internal crisis within the PDP for his decision to leave the party for APC. On June 6, the governor officially defected from PDP to APC at an event in Uyo, the state capital. The event was well attended by the members of the Progressive Governors Forum and some chieftain of the ruling party. Wonderful for reporting from Wisdomia Television.